Welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Yes children, in this episode we are going to study a short poem. Okay? Here in this poem, a small girl is expressing her feelings and she is praying to God that you have given a wonderful creature, a wonderful mother nature, and she is very thankful to God that you have given a beautiful trees, a beautiful sun, and birds, animals, mother, father, family, and she is very thankful for the beautiful nature and she is praying to God. Yes children, now let us see a small poem. Yes children, now in this poem, the child song, we are going to recite the poem and we are going to learn what the girl want to say in this poem. Okay children? Now just you have to imagine the mother nature. The God has given a beautiful nature children, right? Even you are gifted, God gifted you are, and your mother, father, your family, nature, animals, birds, many things children, like trees, sun, earth, water, these all are from our mother nature. It is a God gifted to us. And here in this poem, a small girl is very thankful for God, to God, that God has given a beautiful nature and she is praying to God. Now let us see children in this poem. Thank you for the sun so bright, for the moon and the stars at night. A girl is praying that thank you for the sun. Sun is very bright children, right children? It is very bright. And the small girl is saying thank you God for this beautiful sun you have given us and it is so bright. For the moon and the stars, even I am praying for the moon as well as for the stars. Thank you for each flower and trees. Even she's saying that thank you for flowers and trees and all the beautiful that you see. Whatever I see, all the beautiful things around me, I am very thankful to God. In the next paragraph, thank you for our singing birds and for my family's gentle words. She is very thankful that birds are singing very beautiful. Like for example, cuckoo sings very beautiful, no children, in the morning? Yes. So she's saying thankful to God that you have given us so beautiful birds. Birds, they sing in the morning as well as in the night. And for my family's gentle words. My family is very beautiful and they speak very politely to me and I love my family and I am very thankful to God that you have given a family like this. Next, thank you for the friends kind and true. Even my friends are very true and they are very kind to me. My friends are very best in the world. My friends are very good. They are not false friends. She is thankful for God that you have given a beautiful friends, kind and true. They are very kind to me and they are very true also. Whatever they do from their heart. Help me be a good friend too. Even she is telling I have to be very good to my friends. Here this wonderful poem it is, children. So just listen for 1 minute. You have to listen this poem now.
The stars at night, thank you for each flower and tree and all the beauty that I see. Thank you for our singing birds and for my family's gentle words. Thank you for friends kind and true. Help me be a good friend too.
Okay children, now I will show you the small animated video. Just pay attention.
Gentle words. Thank you for friends, kind and true. Help me be a good friend too.
Okay. Let's be thankful to those who serve us quietly. These people, they serve us, children. See, a woman she's cleaning the roads. These people, they help us. They're doing the farming, children. We have to be very grateful to those people. Yes, in the village, one teacher is teaching to a small kid. Traffic policeman. We have to be very, very thankful to those wonderful people around us, those who are helping us throughout their days. Yes. Yes, children, now you have to take out page number 10. So you have to be ready with your pencil and eraser. Okay, children? So take out page number 10. So we will do the exercise, evaluate, understanding the poem. What are the things the child is thankful for the poem? Tick the right option. So here some sentences are given to you, some words are given to you, children. Here you have to tick the correct option. Here is a sun, red apples, moon and stars, angry people, flowers and trees, kind friends. So children, in this poem, what you have learned? Things the child is very thankful to the God. Now let us see, the first option is sun. Yes, in the poem, she is thankful to God that you have given a wonderful sun. Red apples is mentioned in the poem, no. So what you have to do? Just put a cross. Moon and stars, even she is very thankful for moon and stars also, children. So this option is correct option. Angry people. So this word, this sentence is not there in the poem. So you have to cross out it. You have to cross it. Flowers and trees. So she is very thankful to God that you have given flowers and wonderful trees. So this sentence is there in the poem. So you have to tick mark it. You have to do the correct. Kind friends. And even she is very thankful that God, you have given me good friends. This option is also correct option. Yes, children. Now the C question is match the rhyming words. Here the C question is match the rhyming words. Here to the A side some words are given, to the B side also few words are given to you, and you have to match this rhyming words. Yes children, the first one is bright, bright, might. So you have to just make a mark. Bright, night. The second one is tree, tree, sea. Okay, so these are the rhyming words: bright, night, tree, sea. Birds, words, birds, words. Okay, the last one is true, true, two, true, two. Okay, in this way you have to just make a line and match this rhyming words to each other. Okay children, now we will see the next exercise. Okay, yes, language in use. The next one is language in use. Read these sentences. You have to read this sentences: am not. Okay? Here answer these questions. Use am and am not. You have to use these two words in this sentence and you have to complete it. Okay children? The first one is, are you ready? So what will be the answer here? Yes. Yes, I am. So answer is yes, I am ready. Yes children, the next one is, are you feeding the cat? Are you feeding the cat? Yes. So here you have to write am or am not in this sentence. So here, are you feeding the cat? What she is doing children? See this picture? Yes, she is feeding the cat. So the answer will be yes, I am. Answer: yes, I am. Okay, the next third one is, are you going to the market? Are you going to the market? See this picture? She is not going to market children. Why? Because she's not carrying any kind of bag in her hand. So, are you going to the market? So, what will be the answer? No. No, I am not. So in this way you have to write it. No, I am not. Okay children? Just I will wait for 1 minute. Continue it. So here you have to give a comma. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you feeding the cat? Yes, she is feeding the cat. Yes, I am. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready to go to school. The next one is, are you going to the market? No, I am not. Yes children. Now we will go to the next page, that page number 12. Page number 12. The next fourth sentence is, are you reading? See children, what the child is doing there? What the child is doing? Yes, this child is reading the book. Yes, he is reading the book. So what will be the answer? Yes, I am. This will be the answer. The next one is, are you dancing? See this picture, children. This mother and a daughter, they are going to shopping. But the question is, are you dancing? No. Answer will be no, I am. Okay? I am not. I am not. No, I am not. Yes, children. Now, the next question is, certain things go together. Can you see this two picture? Here is a sun and here is a moon. Sun and moon, these two words, they match and they go together. Okay? Sun and moon. Here, children, some pictures are given to you. So, you have to match those pictures to those correct matching that goes together. Here, shoe and socks, right? Shoe and socks, they go together, right, children? The next one is table. What it is here? It is a table. Table, and what is the correct option here? Table and chair. Very good. So these two words, these two pictures, they go together. The next one is bread, and here is a butter. Yes, children, you eat bread and butter, right? So these two pictures, they go together, bread and butter. The next one is, what it is here? Yes, bed and pillow. So these two match together. Okay? So in this way you have to go. Okay, children? The next exercise is there, that page number 13, C exercise. Okay? Yes, children. Next exercise is, now match the words. Match the words. Shoes, socks. Shoes and socks. Bread and butter. Table and chair. Bed and pillow. Okay? Yes. Now the next question is, fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Take the help of the picture clouds. Okay? In the bracket, in the box, there are some words, children. So you have to pick those words and write in the correct blank. Bucket, jug, fan, television, oven, stove. These are the words you have to pick correct and write on the correct line. Okay? The first one is, we keep milk in this. What is this, children? This is a jug. We keep milk in this jug. Okay? This is the right answer. The next one is, this makes the room cool. What is this, children? This is a fan. So here in this option, fan is there? The word? Yes. So you have to write here fan. This makes the room cool. Fan. Next, we bake cakes in this dash. What is this, children? Oven. Yes, where we bake the cookies and cake. Very good. We bake cakes in this oven. The next one, we cook on this dash. Yes, children, in your kitchen room you have this gas stove, right children? So your mother cooks on this. So we cook on this stove. S-T-O-V-E, stove. Okay? Yes. So I'll wait for 1 minute children. You have to just write it. Yes, now I will change the page now. Yes, the last one, 5th one, we carry water in this. What is this children? This is a bucket, right? So we carry water in this bucket. Bucket. The next one, 6th one, I can watch cartoons on this. Where you see cartoons children? On television. Where you see? On television. Okay? Yes. Now here is a small activity children. Write the feeling under each face. So, here the faces are given, so you have to write the feeling under that. A small activity. Here the girl, she's very, yes children, tell me, this girl is very happy. Yes. So here you have to write happy. In the next picture, the girl is sad. Sad. In the third picture, can you see this picture children? You have to tell the feeling. Yes? Very good. Angry. She's very angry. She's feeling very angry. Yes. In the fourth picture, the girl is thinking here something. She's imagining, right? She's thoughtful. 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 The next one, a girl, she is dreaming. She is dreaming, right? She went in her fantasy world. She is dreaming here. Right, children? Dreaming. She is dreaming. Dreamy. D-R-E-A-M-Y. Dreamy. Okay? Yes. So children, in this way you have to complete this exercise given. Yes children, now we will meet in the next episode. Until then, bye.